Statistics have shown that as the rate of HIV increases amongst the youth, so is the level of crime perpetrated by the youth due to ignorance, recklessness, and unemployment. But on the high is the lack of awareness is aimed at the youth by the youth. We believe that as the youth we can bring about change, as we are often declared future leaders, and we as the youth feel the necessity to restore hope to young people whom have lost it by this project we are planning for the month of June. Happy Saturday, Bafetu. My name is Jape, and welcome to Jtainment. He's a father, community leader, and former ward councillor. Mr. Ndita, welcome to Jtainment program.
Thank you.
Before we delve into discussions about Youth Day, I want us to talk about Father's Day, which we are celebrating it on Sunday. What does Father's Day mean to you as a father?
Father's Day to me, it means we are recognized by the world that you are existing as the leaders of the families.
Right.
And we must play a role of the role models to our children. And also we must also make sure that we protect our families as fathers.
Right.
And also fight the issues of ill discipline. And make sure that all children, we must get respect. But respect as you can't get if you are not working for it.
Right.
You must earn it due to your behavior and your appearance in the community.
Right. What advice would you give to young dads out there?
The only advice that I can give the young people is that they must respect their parents.
Right.
Irrespective of how your parent is. Don't compare your parent with other one. Right. Whether it's a drunkard, your parent is a drunkard or whatsoever, but it's your parent. Right. And you must also listen to him or her. Because you grow and you're grown by these parents. Wherever you are there because of these parents.
Right. On Monday, we are celebrating Youth Day. I want to know about the activities and program that you have in place.
Always by June 16, we're always doing the program of we gathered to celebrate that day.
Right.
As we remember in the history that 1976, the youth of South Africa took a straight against the laws of apartheid by forcing them to learn Afrikaans. So they were tired of doing that. That is why the ANC, when it comes to government, he say all languages are recognized. So everyone, the linguistic, there is no language that is better than each other. All languages are recognized.
Right. And then how did you choose these activities, and what do you hope participants will take away from them?
I think the speeches that are going to be delivered by the president of the ANC Youth League are the speeches that are going to come with programs. Right. Those programs, those who are there must come and implement in their respective areas to educate others, particularly those who are at school and those who are not at school. Right. But we must make sure that we mustn't go there as a youth of June 16. Right. We must go there as young people who are passionate and make sure that we develop each other. Because you are a future leaders, but you must learn how are you going to lead if your turn is come this country. I thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much for having this chat with us.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. For more information about this conversation, you can alternatively chat with me on TikTok. I'm at Mpomula, or contact us on 0608929524, or you can also WhatsApp at 076 7288 263. Thank you. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.